The cheese cubes we started about 12, 13 years ago, and I think we've had 1 or 2 years that we have not increased production. I think every year we have more and more people coming back saying that they haven't had the cheese cubes for a whole year and have been waiting to come back and have them again. And so I think people are, the awareness of the cheese cubes keeps growing and people keep coming back for them. Well, it is pretty labor intensive. I have a really big crew here, and we have to cut up 8-pound blocks of cheese into about 128 little 1-inch square blocks of cheese, and then put 4 of them through a wood skewer, and then they get dipped in the batter and fried. Using a fresh cheese product, which is a little bit different than a mozzarella cheese stick that might be in a freezer somewhere. So that's a big part of it, is that we're using fresh mozzarella cheese, and also the batter that we use is a special blend that we use, and I think that has a little bit different texture that helps us a lot too.